disappointed we didn't see the ghost.
Yes. But thank you very much. Appreciate your giving us your time. It's always a pleasure meeting you. And I want to say UNAIDS appreciate a lot your leadership, your personal leadership, leadership of the government of Fiji. And we are seeing progress in different parts of the world, and particularly also your effort is paying off, not just in terms of influencing the discussion in Pacific, but even globally, because I know your voice during those respective big conferences have been helping to also engage other leaders in the fight against HIV/AIDS.